with a lot of our commercial customers, obviously a big factor is their budget, how much they're going to spend, what is it going to cost to spend, and what are they going to get for their money. So they really want to make sure they're going to get quality, they're going to get long product warranties. Very important in regards to the service, the after sales, to make sure that they can train their staff into utilising how to do shutdown procedures, how can they adjunct in regards to their systems, how to energy manage and energy audit their own systems, and how to monitor those systems. So all that becomes, we work out their paybacks due to the type of tariffs that they're on, and they're very surprised a lot on how quickly the systems, even the high quality systems that we install, has a far greater payback. A lot of businesses come and look at solar in regards to their power generation requirements to supply. And when they realise that solar supply is behind the meter and they've got a lot of high consumption, especially during the day, we try and maximise that benefit for them. And when they look at, their energy generation can be sometimes in the thousands or tens of thousands of dollars a month. And they think initially that there's no way that they can mitigate or reduce that cost. So with regards to that cost, when we show them, well, they can finance this over 5, 7 or 10 years, and then they work out what they're currently paying, a lot of times it's actually cheaper to finance it, debt finance it, and then they save on their annualised cost of energy. So the type of savings with our commercial and rural customers, which really is all bundled into one for us, can be quite substantial. A lot of customers operate just during the day, between the hours of say 7 in the morning till 5 in the afternoon typically, and that can vary obviously. A lot of them are 5 days, some are 7 days, especially if they're in the retail sector. And because of that, the total utilisation can be substantially higher. Instead of 50-60% for residential, it can be 70 to 90% and up to 100% if you allow for exporters credit. Payback periods for a lot of these people can be as low as we've seen 2, typically 3 to 5 years, again, because we'd rather get them to invest in a higher quality installation that's going to give more longevity, and the payback might increase by 15, 18 months at the most.